Right then, welcome to this video guide in which I'm going to show you how to set up your company project page. Now, I have created a company, it's called App Planet, and I have added 3 people into the project page. And I'm going to log on to my wiki space as one of those people. And the name of the person is, once I sign in, his name is John App. Just put in password and sign in. So I'm now signing into the wiki. There we are. Let me click on this and I'm into the wiki, just like before. So there's the stuff that you see before and there's the information too. But do you see now, as well as the home page underneath, I have this section here. And this section here is the section for the project page of the company. And your teacher will have set up the name of the company for you to go into. So if I click into it like this, here is my project page, and you can see I start with a home page, and I can go and edit that home page. So I could go and add features to this home page that people could see when they first click on my company. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a separate page for my work, because actually I want to see separate pages for each person in my group. Now, this makes it easier for the teacher to check, but also it means that each person in the company can go and edit their own page on the project at the same time. They don't have to wait. So let me show you how to create the page. Well, you simply go up to here where it says Add Page and click. And when you click Add Page, you need to give it a name, and I'm going to call it John App's app. Am I allowed to do that? Yes. And now I've got my blank page. There's nothing written on it. You can see there's this sort of editing box in here. If I click on, you can see the cursor flashing, and I've got a range of tools in the toolbar. So let's give it a title first of all, and I'm going to say welcome to my app. Now let's make some improvements to this title. If I highlight it and click over here, you can see I've got different styles that I can choose for my writing. So this is a main title, so I'm going to click heading 1. The font doesn't look too interesting. If I click on the T, I can go and select a different type of font. I think I might choose Tahoma. I'm also going to increase the size of my title a little bit. Make it 120%. Text color is black. Now, I don't need to worry too much about what this means. I can just type in the color that I want. If I type in blue, you can see it changes. If I just scroll down to the bottom and press Apply Styles, now I have got my title. And if I press Enter a couple of times, you can see I go back to normal. And I can change the normal style by clicking on the T, put it back to 110, and I'm going to change my writing to black. There we go, and press Apply Styles. And if I click back down where I was and start writing, you can see the font has changed. So welcome to my project page on my brand new app. So there is a sentence. Now, if I press save like this, this page is now saved, and you can see how it looks. If I want to go back and edit the page, I simply click on edit, and you can see I'm taken back to the box. Now, I'm going to add in the logo for my company, and I think I'm going to put it in between my title. So if I just go and press my first line down a bit and go back, how do I add in an image? Well, it's quite straightforward. If I click on File, I can now go and upload a file. So I click on Upload File, it will take me to my location. I'm on my MacBook, so let me go and find my folder that's got my work in it. Here it is here, and I have got my logo. I'm just going to double click on it, and my logo is now going to upload. Now, I really should have changed the file name of this. Let's hope nobody else has got a similar sort of logo name. And you can see it's busy uploading. It tells you when it's ready. And if I just click on it, it now adds it in here. If I click on it again, can you see that you can edit it and change it? But I think that size is quite good. Now I'm going to add in my slogan underneath, like this, and I'm going to type apps that are out of this world. That's the slogan for our company, and I'm just going to change that style. So again, I highlight it. I'm going to go into here. I'm going to make it slightly bigger, and I think I'm going to make it impact, and I'm going to make it a red color and apply the style. And then I'm just going to use my backspace to move this up like that. Push this down. So there's the start of my page. Again, let's press save to make sure it's saved. And that looks quite good. Now, can you see over here that I've started making a page, and you can see that it's there. The other people in my group, when they start making a page, will see their information go down there. So if I click back onto the main section, you can see there is my page here. Here is our home page. And somebody in our group could maybe improve the layout of this too. So for example, if I click on edit, I could highlight this, maybe increase its size a bit. I think our company has decided to go for Tahoma. Let's make it blue and apply the style. You can see that's better. I don't think we need this. I could say we are planet. I could spell it. We make apps that are out of this world. And I could just improve the style of this, increase the size, put it into Tahoma, click apply styles. And then what I could do is I could just put my logo in here. Now what works quite well, if you can see, I normally leave a space between writing and where I put something in. So I'm going to add my logo in here. So click on File. And you see how the logo is there. Because I've uploaded it, I don't need to go and upload it again. So I can click on it and I can add that in. There it is. I might just improve this layout. Again, let's make it consistent. Put it into Tahoma and apply the style. So let's save. This is again our welcome page. Once I save it, you can see that looks slightly better. Maybe I can improve the font size of this. And you can see over here, I've got my page like this. If I go back to home, there's our home page, and I can wait for other people to add in theirs. And the great thing about this is that no one else can see or edit this page at the moment we've set it up this way. So a few things there, a few tips, a few ideas to get on with your homepage. If you're not sure on how to develop it more, please just simply ask your teacher or email Mr. Williams or look for the help sheets. And there we go.